Hey everyone, Jason here with Lakeside Lodge by LEGO Creator. Set number 31048 contains 368 pieces. Recommended building ages are 7 through 12. This looks like one awesome Lakeside Lodge. This is a 3-in-1, so it can be rebuilt into either an observatory or a small cabin. Nice, colorful box art. Here's all the various actions. Let's open it up and see inside the box. First thing we're going to notice is an 8x16 plate. Five bags of bricks, and a bag with instruction manuals. Let's take a look at the instruction manuals. So there are 3 manuals in total. While this guy was trying to get away from me, there is another 8x16 plate. That is a nice assortment of bricks. Let's take a closer look and visit the Lakeside Lodge. Here we are at the Lakeside Lodge. It is an interesting build. Off to the left, we have a minifigure, a moose, and the Lakeside Lodge. Let's take a closer look. First, let's take a closer look at the minifigure. Let's call him Mountain Man. Nice torso. Looks like a plaid shirt. He has shaggy black hair. He's obviously a fisherman with a fishing pole. The torso is printed only on one side. Next we have a moose. It is one large moose at that. We have some antlers. The head does go up and down, and the legs do move. He is one nice brick-built animal. Nicely thought out. Finally, the Lakeside Lodge. It is a nice colorful build. Here we have the Mountain Man fishing off a pier by the lake. We have a small campfire. Here we have a small spruce tree, a wood axe, so it looks like the Mountain Man was chopping logs. Nice lantern attached to the side. We have a shovel sitting by the front door. The front door does open up. The doorknob does hit the shovel, so it doesn't open up all the way. We have a pail, some lily pads with flowers. Here's the back side. Nice way to hide the hinges with the fireplace and chimney. Green casement windows. Nice red roof. We even have moss growing on the top. Now this model does open up. Let's take a look on the left. We have a small shelf with a mug and a jar. Here we have a little stove. Looks like the Mountain Man is cooking up a supper. The frying pan is included. On the right, we have a bed and a little table with the pen and a letter. And that letter element is printed. The interior is not that large, but it is playable. It is a nice Lakeside Lodge. It's a bit on the small side, but it is still a terrific build. Here are these spare pieces. There are several studs, an extra shaft, feather, a couple of miscellaneous elements, and a brick separator to help with the build. These spare pieces may come in handy for other LEGO creations. This wraps up the review for Lakeside Lodge by LEGO Creator, set number 31048. This is an awesome set, despite of its size. It does come with one minifigure, as well as some accessories. The set will be a perfect addition for any LEGO city, or as a source for spare parts. Thank you for watching.